Here's a quick video someone requested, wanted to get an idea how to build some type of a home addition like this with a hip roof. So here we can see that the hip is coming off of here, and then you would have another hip off of here, and this pop out right here would have another hip, and then two valleys, one on each side. Come over here and connect another valley and then three hips, 1, 2, 3. And depending upon the size of this pop out here would depend upon this area here. This could actually be straight if this was the same width as this. So if this was 6 feet and this was 6 feet, then your ridge would just come in and connect straight over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the elevation, what it would look like here, back of the house. See how the hip here comes down over to here. And then you would have this here. Another hip, here are the two valleys. And that should be it for the video. Hope it helps. If it does, hit the old thumbs up button, and feel free to send me some of your projects, and eventually we'll probably have every roof figured out here on how to build it. So hope it helps, and it is off to the next video.